Hi, I'm James Meinel, a local agent to the Philly area. Tell me, does this sound familiar to you? You open your insurance bill and the rate just jumped for no apparent reason. No tickets, no accidents, just a higher premium. It's finally come to that point where you've got to shop for insurance. Now, what's the best way to do that? Well, I've got some tips for you. The first thing I want to address is what you shouldn't do. So we've got 3 don'ts and 3 do's. Okay, so let's get started. First, what not to do. Don't Google cheap insurance or cheap insurance rate, shop insurance rate, and go to one of the first ads. What that is what we call internet aggregators. Some sort of marketing company that takes your information and then sells it to a bunch of insurance agents. So what's going to happen is your phone's going to start ringing off the hook. You don't know, it could be a good company, it could be a bad company, and you're going to have to go through the process over and over and over again, and the phones will not stop ringing. So I don't recommend doing that. The other big don't is don't go it alone. How much do you really know about insurance? Having an insurance professional involved in the process may not only save you money, but more importantly, they can make sure that you're properly protected. Not only can they uncover the discounts that you might have missed, they also can help you make the proper decisions on the coverages that you have and help you find out what you might need to adjust or even eliminate. The last don't is don't think cheaper is better. You may be thinking, I'm a responsible driver. I'm never going to be the person that calls for the accident, so therefore it doesn't matter what insurance company I'm with or what my limits are. The fact of the matter is there's a lot of people that are driving around without insurance. And the other person could be the cause of the accident, but you could find yourself legally liable. So you want to make sure that you're properly protected and that you're with a decent company. Okay, so we've covered what not to do. The next big to do is be prepared. So what you want to do is make sure you have your declarations page on you. That's going to have all the vehicles that you have listed on there along with the VIN numbers. It's going to let you know what coverages you currently have and what premium you're paying. You also want to make sure that you know all the names, date of births, and driver's license number for all the drivers in a household. This is going to make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision as to whether or not this new policy that you're going to be purchasing is a better value. Okay, so the next thing I want you to consider is speaking to a local agent. This isn't a necessity by any means, but having somebody there that's willing to sit down with you and make sure that your family, your home, your auto, and even your retirement is properly protected is only going to add value to your insurance. And when tragedy strikes, they're going to be there to help you through the claims process. So definitely consider doing that. So the last big to do is make sure you ask questions. Insurance can be kind of complicated. A really good insurance agent is going to go through all the coverages that are available to you in a clear and concise manner, but you still may not fully understand. So don't hesitate to interrupt and make sure that you understand what the coverage is. This will allow you to make sure that you're making the best decisions for you and your family. And that's it. You should be well on your way to finding a quality policy at a great value. Feel free to leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.